go ahead and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and stay tuned for all the freaking crazy content that comes to the channel. All right, peace out, guys. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are having a great day. Taking it off literally same day, I guess same morning, whatever. About to see what happens right now. All right, guys, so we have a little 5th gen Zl1 action going on right here, as well as an EVO over here. So let's see how this goes. Camera actually caught that, but that Camaro just shot a good sized flame, and the EVO ended up taking it. So today we taking some dubs. That Zl1, he said that he was making in the 600s. I honestly don't know. I think he's like 620 wheel or something like that. And totally underpowered. The team didn't take any losses, so we killed it right now. Huge shout out to that Zl1 guy. Honestly, we literally ran into him at the gas station. Like I said, we're still continuing on. Literally no sleep in the last day. Basically, we've been out all day. So honestly, I didn't think I was gonna take that one at all. I hope you guys enjoyed this very, very short video. I know I just didn't want to go tag it on the other video because I honestly didn't know how long it's going to be. So that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one. I really, really appreciate you guys. Go ahead and subscribe if you're not yet subscribed, and stay tuned for all the freaking crazy content that comes to the channel. All right, peace out, guys.